In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your HubSpot deal pipelines by lifecycle stage. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your existing setup, this guide will help you streamline your pipeline organization, making your workflow more efficient and effective. So let's dive right in and start transforming the way you manage your deals on HubSpot. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to your user guide in HubSpot. Simply open your web browser and go to the HubSpot homepage. Look for the user guide section. Once you're there, you'll be in the right place to follow along with the next steps. The next part of the process involves getting into the settings. Once you're at the user guide page, look for the settings icon. It's typically represented by a small gear symbol. Clicking on this will take you into the settings area, which is where most of the customization in HubSpot happens. Now, after clicking settings, it's time to move on to objects. On the left-hand sidebar, you will find a section labeled Objects. Click on it to expand your options. Here you'll find everything related to the different types of data you manage in HubSpot, like contacts, companies, and deals. Continuing on, you'll remain on this section and now focus on deals. In the Objects menu, you'll see a list of different objects. You're looking for the one labeled Deals. This is crucial because this is where your deal pipelines reside, so go ahead and click on Deals to proceed to the next step. With the Deals menu open, your next task is to find and click on Pipelines. The Pipelines option is pivotal as it contains all the workflow stages for your deals. By accessing this section, you can start organizing your deals based on their lifecycle stages, enhancing how you track progress. After entering the Pipelines section, look for the Configure button. Click on Configure to start setting the parameters of your pipeline. This configuration area will allow you to tailor the pipeline stages according to what makes sense for your business processes. Next, we need to introduce some automation into the process by clicking on Automate. Automating certain aspects of your pipeline, such as sending emails or setting reminders, can significantly reduce manual tasks and improve your efficiency. So, don't skip this part, as it will help you leverage HubSpot's full potential. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have now successfully organized your HubSpot deal pipelines by lifecycle stage. This refined setup will improve your deal management and ensure a more streamlined process. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, make sure to stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your productivity with HubSpot.